Tell me, when you wake up in the morning, what's the very first thing you reach for? For many, it is the glowing rectangle, the phone, a portal to everyone else's life but your own. It is not wrong to stay connected. But ask yourself, are you truly living your life? Or just reacting to distractions? When I was a young monk, I spent months meditating under a Bodhi tree, not to escape the world, but to understand my place in it. One evening I found myself agitated, not because of hunger, not because of pain, but because I hadn't achieved what I thought I should by that point in my journey. But missing the fragrance of the flowers at your feet, this is what many of us do. We chase success, validation, approval, thinking it will fulfill us. We scroll endlessly, compare our lives to others, accumulate things we don't need. And all the while, the real treasures, time, peace, presence, love,